Voicemail feature enable and use on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the phone application on your device and then on the contact list, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Now as you tap on settings, you just have to scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of voicemail. So tap on voicemail and here you can just tap on toggling on this visual voicemail where the carrier or your device may not support the visual voicemail. So in my context, it does not support the visual voicemail. So we're going to go to the settings or the advanced settings and here you just have to enter your voicemail number, and as you tap on your voicemail number then you'll be able to toggle on this voicemail feature for your device. And in order to use it on Android, all you have to do is just record the voicemail and keep it and make it use. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.